Alright guys, so first I'm going to do a tutorial for MyEtherWallet. Like I said, you can do either MyEtherWallet or you can download the plugin for Classic Mask and you can just do it through there. Classic Mask, again, is available on Google Chrome and Firefox. But again, this is MyEtherWallet. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to sign into MyEtherWallet. Obviously, you want to make sure you are actually going to MyEtherWallet. And then first, you're going to sign in to your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, now that we are into MyEtherWallet, let's get our directions. So we're going to go to the MediaCoin website, which is www.mediacoin.stream, as I just entered. It's going to pull up our main page, and what you're going to want to do is from that main page, you're going to go to the ICO instructions, which is located on the top right of your screen. I'm circling it under ICO. Okay, these are your instructions. As it states in the instructions, what you're going to want to do is copy this first link up on the top. This is where you're going to send ETC, and you'll want to make sure that you are using at least 50,000 gas. Also, make sure that you set the gas limit down. I will do it as well, just so you know what I'm doing, but make sure you do that so you don't spend excessive gas on this. So you'll bring that down, you go to 1. Okay, and again, I copied this top address right here. I'm going to place that into the to address. I'm going to click the amount to send. I'm going to send 10. That's 10 ETC that I'm going to send to the ICO for MediaCoin. And as you probably remember, getting 50,000 gas. It's at 46, so we're just going to bump that up a little bit to 50,000. All right, from there, we're going to generate the transaction. Okay, you should see something similar to this. Okay. So again, make sure you are in the network ETC up at the top. You have the gas price set down to wherever you would like. I have mine set to 1. And you have the, again, top line in the send to address. You have your amount and you have the gas limit set to 50,000. Okay. Now that we're all understood, let's send that transaction. Okay, you're going to click yes, I am sure, make transaction. Okay. Now that is done. There is one more step. Let's go back to the ICO page. Down here, to see your balance with Classic Mask or MyEtherWallet, load the following address as a token. So, I'm going to show you how to do that really quick as well. So we're going to copy that. And we're going to right here under token balances. I'm going to go to the top just so you understand. Scroll down. See token balances right here. You're going to add a custom token. You're going to copy and paste that in there. Again, it's the second line here. So do not copy and paste this first line in there. You're copying and pasting the second line. Okay, the token symbol is QMCT. QMCT. So make sure you got that in there, and then the decimal places we're going to set to 1818. Okay, and then we're going to save that token. that will allow it to show up when you want to see your balance. Again, this is MyEtherWallet, and that is how you will process this transaction. Obviously, it'll take a little bit of time to go through, but as long as you followed my instructions to the letter, you should have zero problem participating in the MediaCoin ICO. Again, this is Andy with MediaCoin. I hope you guys have a great day.